Hi everyone, and welcome to this ARA gas detector unboxing video. These are single personal gas detectors capable of detecting hydrogen sulfide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and oxygen. Each has a battery that lasts up to 24 months. That said, the hydrogen sulfide and the carbon monoxide models can be purchased with hibernation mode. These can last up to 36 months. There's also an infrared link for communications. We can unbox that at the end. All 6 models have the same content. Let's pick this one. Each gas type is identified by a color. This one is hydrogen sulfide. Okay, so here we have some paperwork. We have a quick start guide which shows screen symbols and has a few instructions. There is a tiny calibration certificate. This must be kept safe for your records. This is just a little information about ion science. They have supplied an adapter that allows connection to a gas bottle for bump testing. And here it is, the ARA. Although it's tiny, it feels solid and robust in the hand. The clip also feels strong. It has a single button operation, sounder, screen, and alarm windows. So let's take a look at the infrared link for transferring data. It has the same size box, but with a gray label. This infrared module is also tiny. There's also a USB cable included. There's no instructions, but it looks obvious how to connect it. So that's it, the ARA and its infrared interface. ARA, keeping your workforce safe. For more information, go to ionscience.com.